Phrasal verbs with turn. Listen and repeat. Turn around. Turn around. It means cause a situation change. Examples: he was losing, but they turned things around perfectly. I hope we will turn around the failing company. Turn down. Turn down. It means reject an offer. Examples: they offered her the job, but she turned it down. I'm not going to turn down an invitation to go to Dubai. Turn thumbs down. Turn thumbs down. It means disapprove someone or something. Examples: I hope his parents don't turn thumbs down on me. He got a firm thumbs down by Sarah. Turn against. Turn against. It means stop liking something. Examples: the public has turned against the government. Many people had turned against the war. Turn around. Turn around. It means change direction. Examples: having taken the wrong turn, we had to turn around. They turned their fortunes around and became rich. Turn away. Turn away. It means not allow someone to enter a place. Examples: the doorman turned him away from the nightclub. Police had to turn people away. Turn in. Turn in. It means go to bed. Examples: I turned in at 11:30 because I was so tired. I'm getting sleepy. I think I'll turn in. What time do you usually turn in? Comment below. Turn into. Turn into. It means become. Examples: tadpoles turn into frogs. The witch had turned them all into stone. Turn off. Turn off. It means stop a device. Examples: I turned the TV off and went to bed. Turn the radio off. I want to sleep. Turn on. Turn on. It means start a device. Examples: I turn on the radio to get the weather forecast. She turned on the TV to watch her favorite show. Turn out. Turn out. It means produce. Examples: the factory turns out 3,000 units a day. We haven't turned out a lot of units today. Turnover. Turnover. It means give something to authorities. Examples: the court ordered them to turn over their records. I'm turning the project over to you. Turn to. Turn to. It means try to get help. Examples: she had nobody to turn to when her husband died. I can't believe he turned to his mother instead of me. Turn up. Turn up. It means appear. Examples: she didn't turn up for class today. Eventually, my watch turned up in a coat pocket. Turn back. Turn back. It means go back. Examples: she turned back towards the crossroads. We've promised to help, and there's no turning back. Turn one's back on. Turn one's back on. It means to deny or reject. Examples: I can't believe he turned his back on me. I asked for help, but they all turned their back on me. Turn up. Turn up. It means increase volume. Examples: can you turn up the music? I love this song. Please turn up the volume. I want to dance. Turn down. Turn down. It means decrease volume. Examples: would you mind turning the radio down? Turn the radio down. I'm going deaf. Turn upon someone. Turn upon something. It means suddenly attack someone. Examples: I wonder why he turned upon his wife. I can't stand it when people turn upon each other. If you have any questions, comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more phrasal verb videos and share with your friends.